this is how we're running today. I got a busted up pan. I'm using coconut milk from a dollar store, not coconut oil. Good fat content. And we got some mushrooms. Whoops. These are baby portobellos. Houston, we got a problem. I got the video on way too loud. I'll give that a smell. We're going to kick it up with a little garlic. Tablespoon. Some hot sauce. Alright, we killed that. That was about a tablespoon and a half. And for the first time in my life, I had some oyster sauce. 1, 2. Actually, that's more like 3 tablespoons. Whoops. It's time to walk it up. All right. Burn it down. It's time for what? Deglazing. Look how pretty that looks. This is my condiment. I found out the miracle of what? Dollar store coconut milk. Look how fast I deglazed the burnt stuff on my pan. Using coconut milk. Amazing. All right. Let's see. How should we... Ooh, pumpkin seed. Where... Stop. Oops. Wasabi hit the ground. No. Yeah, there it is. We're going to do some pumpkin seed. This is my condiment of the night. This is for all my haters. Why? Because they never had this. Wait, we have no calcium. Stop. We need calcium and... Enough there. Little Parmesan Romano. You're only on my channel because no one has ever eaten that before. Alright, it's time to get back to my movie. And that is my compliment tonight. This is the first time in my life I ever had oyster sauce. It's time to walk it up. I have to taste it. Bam. Oh, wow. That's more chewy than a piece of meat. Love you.